Alright. Like I always say, these new trucks, you never have to worry about anything, but with old trucks, this becomes something that you gotta worry about every day. A new part needs to be fixed. You always gotta be the guy that does it. Fix problems. Sometimes you're the mechanic, you're the driver. Welcome. Let's see what we can fix today. It's raining today. So last week on Friday, this snapped right here. And it's through many years of consistent use and wear and tear, so it just got to its end. And what I did, I went and got this from up front, and what I did is just I'll just hook this up here. One of the bolts here snapped, and I'm hoping that this should hold it together until I'm able to buy a new part. So I'll try and squeeze this in here. See if I can get this open up just a little so that I can get this in here. Be a struggle, that's for sure. That's for sure. And there we have it. There we go. This cannot be hanging lower than 18 inches off the ground, so I think that's pretty good. Right there. And everything's suspended the way it's supposed to be. Yep. That's not rubbing at all. Oh, would you look at this? I will be needing, this hose is broken. That hose right there is broken. I need a replacement. This right here, and this is a service line. This is a service line. This is the emergency brake system. So I'll need this line, and it comes all the way to here. Shouldn't be too bad. I'll get it when I get the chance. That's fixed. Should be good. It's all done. Nothing's broken there. All right. Good morning, good evening, and good night. Probably where you're coming from, where you're watching this from. Currently in Pennsylvania, and I'm currently outside a Planet Fitness where I came and parked the truck. Sometimes you get a load that requires you to drop a trailer, And when you drop a trailer, you only have the bobtail. Bobtail is just the tractor itself. And in that case, what usually happens is that you have just the tractor, this part, and that leaves you with a lot of options. One of them is going to places where you would otherwise not be able to, and especially places like Planet Fitness, where you can go work out, take a shower, and probably relax afterwards. But if you have a trailer, it becomes a bit difficult to navigate around these tight spaces. As you can see, we don't have enough turning radius or enough space for a truck and trailer to turn in here like those guys over there. They need a lot more space for them to be able to turn in there and be comfortable. And if, God forbid, you have anybody coming in and parking next to you, it's a nightmare. So what usually happens is once you drop the trailer, your options increase exponentially, where you could just come work out at Planet Fitness or your fitness place of choice. And in my case, it's Planet Fitness, and it's such a good option. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back to the place of pickup. I've been here for I think 4 or 5 hours, and I'm thinking by now they are probably done. So if you have not subscribed and you like the content that I share here, kindly consider subscribing. I share trucking, lifestyle videos, and anything in general really, but kindly consider subscribing if you've not, and come along for the journey. Let me go get my trailer and see whether it's loaded. Come on, let's go. So we just got to the yard, and we had to look out all these trailers, and we found our trailer right here. And we're just gonna look and see whether this trailer has any seals on it. Most of the time they usually leave the doors open and they hand you the seal, and what happens right now is you would find these doors open, but it seems like they put the seal, they close the doors, and everything's looking good. So what I'll do is I'll just go back into the spot and hook up to the trailer, and we are on our way to Connecticut. So let's get on our way to Connecticut. It's going to be about 5 hours or 6 hours. Let's try and hook up to this and then put in the GPS and see where we go. One of the things that you should always look out for, whether your glad hands right here have any damage on them. The grommet, this right here, this grommet is called a rubber grommet, and usually they crack, and you should always check this side and the tractor side. So the tractor side is right here, and none of them look worn out or broken. So that means when we supply air to the tractor, from the tractor to the trailer, it's not gonna get leaking or it's not gonna be sipping out. Let's back into this trailer and let's see.